Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add a curve to an image in Photoshop. Okay, I use shape or image. Step 1, use shape, create a new layer, click the shape, fill color, stroke, do not, then press enter. Click and drag it, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, click the icon, customs and see here see curve. Okay, now we can see this add curve and add image to curve. First of all, remove the background. Okay, I already removed the background. Then apply the same formula. Press Ctrl T. Click the icon customs ARC or press Ctrl T. Hold Ctrl, click and drag it. Hold Ctrl, click and drag it. Press Ctrl T. Warp to curve. Okay. Again press Ctrl T. Right click on your mouse. Key. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.